Hello, beautiful people. It's me again, DJ, and welcome to Tahanang Noypi. This episode is the second week of building our tiny house. Please watch till the end of the video. Also, please like, share, and subscribe. You can click that notification bell so you will be notified for our next uploads. So, we start the week two by building the septic tank and filling up soil for leveling the floor. We had another challenge on that soil fill up. How? Just so you know, we did start this project during a rainy season, and because of that, it's very difficult to find a soil fill up. We'd reached out to different suppliers and waited a few days, but we got nothing. We don't want to waste more days of waiting for it to be available, so we decided to buy sand directly from the hardwares. It's quite pricey, yes, but it gets the job done. Here we can see what has been done on our week one, and that's the right side view of our project. And about that sand delivery, I believe we ordered 2 to 3 loads of truck to completely level the entire flooring. I can barely remember, but I'll check and update you. All right, that small clip on the left side, that's the size of the truck. 2 to 3 loads of that, I think. I will speed up this part so we can see how we completed the fill up. I hope you will watch till the end of the video because you will learn one of the advantage on building house during this wet season. All right, there we go. You when you fill up soil or elevation of a flooring, you will need to water the pile or fill to stabilize and make it more compact. In our case, we saved water, time, and effort for that watering part because it rained all night after all this fill up and leveling. So the next day, it's ready for the setup of metal rods. Um, and then after that metal rods, we proceed on pouring mortar for our flooring. We did everything manually. We don't have any mixer or machine to help us for the you know, finishing off the flooring. That's why it took almost the entire day to complete it. And then um, the next day, the main house flooring hardened already, but we knew that it's still curing. So we started working on the walls of our toilet and wash and shower room. If you can see, there's two rooms there. The left side is for the toilet and wash, and the right is for the shower. As I've said from our first episode, if you watched it, this section is a previous piggery. So there's already a set of drainage there. That's why we only added the holes for the lavatory and the toilet. So these are the tasks that have been completed for the week 2. I hope this series of videos can help you see what to expect on building houses and how to deal with the issues. Please stand by for our next episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you will be notified for our next upload. Bye for now.